Hello, beautiful people. Good evening. How are you? I hope you are well, and I hope you are passing a very fantastic time with your family. And I am also doing great by Almighty Allah. Today, we are talk about how can we improve our English. When you speak English, you have to reading too much because reading helps you collect new words. You have to just listening helps you carefully, and you have to writing too much because writing is a very powerful technique to learning English. And when you watch the movie, you watch the English movie with subtitles. When you read the newspaper, you have to reading English newspaper every day because it helps you most properly.